Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I've decided to answer one of the most asked questions by graduate students. So the question is about official transcript. So when you hop on the website of some schools, they want you to submit your official transcripts. Sometimes it's before you get admission, and some of them is after you get admission. So a lot of people ask questions like, how do I get official transcripts? So to get your official transcript, it depends on the school you visited. So the school I attended, we have a website that you can go on there and then you request an official transcript. So official transcript is a transcript that is being sent to your school you got admission to by your alma mater. You get it? So let's say you completed the University of Toronto. Your official transcript should be sent by University of Toronto, the academic affairs. You can't send it by yourself. So when you send a transcript by yourself during your application, it's unofficial. But then if the school sent it to the school you've gotten admission to, that's when it's an official transcript. So mostly they'll give you an email like this you can see on your screen. So they'll just give you this email and they'll tell you send it to it. So you go to your school. If it's a platform, if it's a system, you just go on there and then you enter this email there that they should send your transcript to them. So if your school is going to do it manually, if you guys don't have any system that you use to do this, you can write the email there. Sometimes when you're giving admission, you're giving some sort of number. So you just give them this mail by the school that they will be using to receive the official transcript. And then you add your identification number, something like that, and then they send it to it. So if your school sends the transcripts to them, it's termed as official, something like that. It's very much simple. So that's it for the video. If you're new here, try to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. But then if you have any question too, you can let me know in the comment section. I'm going to do well to give you an answer on that. Peace.